Hi, I'm Gretchen, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to do a comb cast on. So as you can see, I have 20 needles on either side of my 0 needle pushed out here, all the way to the full out position, the holding position. And in order to do the comb cast on, what we're going to do is we're going to take our comb here and push back every other needle. And that one, all the way back to the non-working position. And then you're going to take your yarn, and I find the easiest way to start with it is just put a clip at the end, dangle it down through my feeder, and my machine is set to stockinette. And now I'm just going to go ahead and run it across the needles. So as you can see, I have these big loops now. And I can take my comb and pull it through so that it catches the loops. You want to make absolutely sure you don't catch this, or you're going to end up with a big extra tail of yarn that you have to then figure out what to do with later. And then we're going to take our weights and hang them on either end. Now remember that the comb cast on is useful when you don't need a super pretty edge. So if you're casting on with waste yarn, for instance. At any rate, once I have my comb hung and weighted, I'm going to go ahead and move those needles back into position. So I now want all of my needles working and not just half of them. I've got them all in position, and I'm just going to move my carriage back to the other side. And typically, as you can see, I just kind of reached in there and pulled it down a little bit to make sure that the comb hadn't stuck to the posts up here, and that's typically a good idea. And then as you can see, I can now just work, and my cast on is complete.